Hi, welcome in my video. In this video, I want to share how to reset password of username in Windows 7. If you forgot the password and not remember it, Visual USB Bootable Drive. For the refer the Windows using the command prompt for the setup the utility as CMD. If you don't know how to create a bootable USB drive, you can try my video in this link description. So let's do the video. This is I want to try type the password for username T3. Then I have forgotten password. So let's do the restart the Windows, and then don't forget to put your USB bootable drive to laptop. So that's that, and then I think the this is I'm choose the USB bootable drive for the boot by USB. That's Windows is loading files for the Windows installation. So this is only for refine the Windows, not for the installation Windows. So it's only on the first step. Click next button, and then this choice repair your computer. This is I'm choose repair your computer, and then the system recovery option. So let's the system will be check the file recovery of Windows. Okay, this is Windows 7 and the location of drive D. So this is operating system for restore recovery. So we can just we can next step to continue the process with click next button, and then click command prompt. Okay, and then type copy D Windows System 32 slash utilman.exe, then type enter. This is if you have file utilman.exe in the drive J, so this is override. But before if you don't have, this is only copy. So then copy CMD to utilman.exe. So the file utilman.exe will be replaced by CMD. This purpose for we can run the CMD by click the access in the display login page, login screen Windows. So this is type yes. Then after that, click close or exit this, and then click the button restart. So reset the PC, and then choose the bootable drive for HDD. Then starting Windows. And then I think the process starting Windows until the login screen display. Okay, and then this is login screen Windows. So click the access menu and will be display the CMD, and then tap the net user spasi username. This case username is p3, and then space type the password. I want to type password 12345, and then click tap enter, and the command complete successful. So click close and then type the password. So the password has been set. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share and comment, and then thanks for watching, and see you. Bye bye.